Hello, everyone! Welcome back to another fun drawing and coloring adventure. Today, we are going to draw some big animals with interesting shapes and unique features. Let's get started. First, we draw elephant. Start by drawing the large and strong head of the elephant. Add 2 wide ears on the sides of the head, then draw the eyes, nose, and its long trunk. After that, draw the large body with 4 strong legs and a small tail at the back. Imagine the elephant slowly walking through the open wilderness while gently swinging its trunk. Make each part of the body clear and well-shaped so the elephant looks strong and interesting. Now, let's color it. For a moment to enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Make its body look big, cute, and adorable.
is a desert animal known for its incredible ability to survive harsh, hot environments. Its hump stores energy, and its long, strong legs help it walk easily on soft sand. Camels often have a funny and slightly mischievous expression, making them instantly lovable. Drawing a camel is exciting because we can highlight its hump, slim yet sturdy body, and unique facial features. Let's start coloring. The horse is a graceful and fast animal that has lived alongside humans for thousands of years. It has a slim yet muscular body and elegant movements when running. Its large, gentle eyes show intelligence and loyalty. Drawing a horse is interesting because we can emphasize its powerful posture, beautiful flowing mane, and soft expression that always makes horses look charming. Now let's start coloring. Drawing and coloring bear, we can make its expression look friendly and full of spirit. Bear looks like it is walking forward with a cheerful face. Its thick fur makes it even more interesting to draw and color together in this exciting adventure. Now, let's color it. draw a buffalo. The buffalo is illustrated with a large and solid body, reflecting strength and sturdiness. Its head is wide, with a pair of horns curving to the sides as its main feature. The standing posture looks stable and firm, supported by thick and strong legs. The buffalo's face appears calm and simple, giving the impression of a gentle yet powerful animal. Its solid body shape makes the drawing process clear and easy to follow. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw a buffalo, an animal with a large body and distinctive curved horns. The buffalo looks strong with sturdy legs and a calm face. Its tail hangs down behind it, completing its overall appearance. The solid shape of its body makes the buffalo look powerful and fun to draw. Next, we draw a tiger. A tiger is an animal known for its bold and energetic appearance. When drawing a tiger, we can begin with a firm head shape, then continue with a strong body and a flexible tail. The process of drawing a tiger trains us to pay attention to body posture that looks ready to move and full of confidence. Every line we draw shapes a character that looks brave and agile. Drawing a tiger becomes an exciting experience in the drawing and coloring process. Now, let's color it! With a strong body and a confident standing posture. Its head is large, with thick hair around the face that makes it look bold and majestic. The tail is long and slightly curved backward, adding a dynamic touch to its body. The facial expression appears firm, with eyes facing forward. Its legs are sturdy and well-balanced, showing a tough and brave character that is fun to draw and color. Let's color it! as an agile and confident animal. When drawing a leopard, we can focus on its flexible posture and a face that looks intelligent. Start with the head shape, then continue to the body and long tail. This drawing process helps us understand movement and balance in an animal's body. With the right details, the leopard will look strong yet elegant, ready to move on to the coloring stage. We draw a hippopotamus. A hippopotamus is an animal known for its large, strong body and distinctive facial shape. When drawing a hippopotamus, we can start with a wide head shape, a large mouth, then continue with a round body and sturdy legs. The process of drawing a hippopotamus encourages us to pay attention to body balance, so it looks stable and convincing. Every line we draw helps shape a character that looks strong yet calm. Drawing a hippopotamus also trains our accuracy in building body proportions before moving on to the next stage. Now, let's color it! is drawn with a slim body and long, strong legs. Its head is elongated with tall, upright ears that stand out clearly. The tail is short and hangs down naturally. Its Its face looks calm and gentle, giving the impression of a patient and hard-working animal. The body shape is simple, yet well-proportioned, making it interesting to draw in detail. Now, let's color it. Anteater. The anteater has a very unique body shape that is different from most animals. Its long snout, large tail, and slow but distinctive walk make it stand out. It uses its long tongue to find food, which makes it even more interesting to draw. Drawing an anteater is a fun challenge because of its unusual proportions, and that is exactly what makes it exciting. The anteater looks calm, unique, and full of personality. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw an alpaca. An alpaca has a cute and friendly appearance, which makes it very enjoyable to draw. We can begin with a soft head shape, a long neck, and a body that looks thick and fluffy. While drawing an alpaca, imagine the smooth texture of its fur that makes it look warm. Every line we draw adds character to the alpaca, making it look gentle and friendly. This process is great for practicing patience and accuracy while drawing and coloring. Now, let's color it.
Last, we draw Camel. Start by drawing the camel's head with a long and slender neck. Add the eyes, small ears, nose, and a simple mouth. After that, Draw its body with its distinctive back and 4 long, strong legs made for walking long distances. Don't forget to add a small tail at the back. Imagine the camel slowly and calmly walking across the desert, ready for a long journey with its strong body. Draw each part of the body neatly so the picture looks interesting. Great job! Today we have finished drawing and coloring. We hope you enjoyed every step and feel more confident about trying your next drawing. Don't forget to subscribe for more drawing and coloring videos, press like if you enjoyed the video, and tell us your favorite character in the comments. See you again in our next drawing and coloring adventure.